Want to know how to brainstorm email subject lines that get opens? In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through some effective strategies to create compelling subject lines that grab attention, increase your open rates, and lead to more engagement. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial for the software I'm using to make this process even easier. When it comes to email subject lines, it's all about sparking curiosity and making a promise to your reader. One of the first things to do is think about the value you're offering. Your subject line needs to communicate that quickly. If it doesn't clearly say why they should open your email, they won't. Think about your audience's pain points and desires. This is where your headline needs to hit. Start by asking yourself, what's in it for them? Whether it's solving a problem or answering a question, your subject line needs to promise value. Use urgency when appropriate. Something like last chance or hurry before it's gone works well. This taps into the fear of missing out, making the reader feel like they might be missing an opportunity if they don't act fast. Just be careful not to overuse it, or it might lose its impact. Another effective approach is to keep it personal. Personalization can make a huge difference in open rates. Use their name, location, or a recent action they took. It makes the email feel less like a mass send-out and more like something specifically tailored to them. If you're not sure how to personalize, segment your audience based on their interests or past behaviors to make the subject line more relevant. Let's also talk about being concise. Subject lines should be short and to the point. Usually, around 6 to 10 words is a sweet spot. Remember, many people check emails on their phones, so your subject line should still be readable on a small screen. Focus on the most important part of your message and leave out any unnecessary fluff. One of the best techniques I recommend is testing your subject lines. A/B testing can be a game changer. Test 2 or 3 versions of your subject line to see which one performs better. It's a simple way to understand what resonates with your audience. This also gives you data to inform future email campaigns, making sure you're always improving. For those of you looking to brainstorm quickly, using software tools can help. I've tried out several popular options for generating email subject lines, and I found that using a software like this one really streamlines the process. You can input key phrases or keywords, and the software will suggest different subject lines for you. If you want to follow along, I've linked an exclusive free trial to this software in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it while it's there. Now, before we wrap up, let's recap the key points on how to brainstorm email subject lines that get opens. First, focus on value and make it clear in the subject line. Second, use urgency and curiosity to get them to click. Third, personalize when possible to make the email feel more relevant. Fourth, keep your subject lines short and to the point. And finally, don't forget to test. A/B testing will give you insights into what works best. To close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier in the description. It's a great tool to help you brainstorm email subject lines that will get opens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.